Hi friends, as you know these planters are very much in trend these days, so why not make them as a DIY today? Let's start. For this DIY we need a tube of this kind and we'll cut it like this. Now we'll be applying a coat of gesso. If one coat is not sufficient, you can even apply 2 coats as per your requirement and material of the tube. Now we'll apply a base coat of white color. Draw a rough idea of the design on the planter which you will be painting on it. It's time to paint. Here I am using acrylic color to paint this design. Now we'll give borders for finishing. Now at the back side of our planter, we'll stick magnets. For sticking the magnets, you can use M-Seal, ceramic powder or POP. Here I am using ceramic powder. I have made a paste of Fevicol and ceramic powder here. Stick the magnets using a lot of ceramic powder or M-Seal so that it can bear the weight when you pot a plant in it. Cover the edges nicely so that the magnet does not come out. After finishing the painting part, we'll apply a coat of varnish on our planter. Our planter is ready. You can even stick it on your almirah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.